The plans are is we're definitely rebuilding. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. There's definitely some funding coming from insurance. And bottom line, Lenny, is we're getting really scrappy. I literally plan over the next few months, any time that I can get away, I'm going to be out building those docks. The beautiful thing is we have a community behind us, because once again, financially, we think we found a way to be able to purchase all the materials, but we're going to have to get really creative with the labor side of it. And so that's the plan. We're going to start here in the month of January. The goal is to get as many docks, if not all of them, back, hopefully by the beginning of May, because that's when our slip and boating season starts. So that's the plan there. It's going to be challenging.